Greetings everyone, welcome to Miss Dolly's English lesson. It is so good to have you back. This is the first of the 50 lessons that I promised for our basic English level. Before I carry on, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe and leave us a comment so that we know what you like about the lesson or what you think we can do to help you even better. Today's lesson is the first of 50, so we are going to start with something very simple. It is called greetings. You heard me at the start of the lesson, or every of my lesson I'll say greetings everyone, which simply is to say hi or hello. So the two ways of greeting someone in a very casual setting is number one, hello. Number two, hi. These are the two ways that you can greet someone in a casual setting. What is a casual setting? Well, a casual setting is when you meet people at a party, at an event, at a wedding. You go to the park, you meet your friend, you say hi, hello. You meet your children's friends' parents, you also say hi, hello. So this is also for family members. You say hey, hi, hello. So today, very simply, we learn casual greeting. Hi, hello. That was simple. Till I meet you the next time. Bye.